EDaily conversation.
Asking about tickets.
Hello, I would like to book a ticket.
Hello, where would you like to go?
I want to go to Melbourne.
When do you plan to travel?
I plan to travel next Monday morning.
We have several options for that day.
That sounds good to me.
Do you prefer a morning or afternoon flight?
I prefer a morning flight.
There's a flight at 8 o'clock.
That time is good for me.
There's also another flight at 10 o'clock.
I think 8 o'clock is better.
Do you want a one-way ticket or a return ticket?
I want a return ticket.
When will you return?
I will return on Friday evening.
Let me check the available flights.
Thank you very much.
There is a return flight at 6 o'clock.
That is perfect for me.
How many tickets do you need?
I need one ticket.
Do you want economy or business class?
I prefer economy class.
That is the most popular choice.
Yes, it is more affordable.
The price is $100.
That sounds reasonable.
Would you like to continue booking?
Yes, I would like to continue.
Choosing time. Let us confirm your travel time.
Yes, please confirm it for me.
Your departure is at 8 in the morning.
That is correct.
You should arrive at the airport early.
How early should I arrive?
You should arrive at least 2 hours before.
I understand that.
Your return flight is at 6 p.m.
That is good for my schedule.
Do you want a window seat or an aisle seat?
I would like a window seat.
Let me check if it is available.
Thank you.
Yes, a window seat is available.
That is great.
Do you need any special services?
No, I do not need anything special.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I will have one suitcase.
That is included in your ticket.
That is good to know.
Your total travel time is about 2 hours.
That is not too long.
Everything looks good so far.
Yes, I am happy with this plan.
confirming details. May I have your full name, please?
My full name is John Smith.
Please spell your name for me.
JOHNSMITH.
Thank you. May I have your phone number?
My phone number is 0123456788.
Thank you. May I have your email address?
My email is john@example.com.
Thank you for the information. Please check your details on the screen.
Everything looks correct.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am traveling alone.
Do you have any special requests?
No, everything is fine.
Your booking is almost complete.
That is good to hear.
Please confirm your travel dates again.
I will travel on Monday and return on Friday.
That is correct. Do you agree with all the details?
Yes, I agree with everything.
I will proceed with your booking.
Thank you.
Paying. Now we will proceed to payment.
How can I pay for the ticket?
You can pay by card or cash.
I would like to pay by card.
Please insert your card here.
I have inserted my card.
Please enter your PIN number.
I am entering my PIN now.
Please wait a moment.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Your payment is being processed.
I hope it goes through.
The payment is successful.
That is great.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Please keep this receipt.
I will keep it safely.
Your booking is now confirmed.
I'm very happy.
Receiving ticket. Here is your ticket.
Thank you.
Please check your ticket details.
Everything looks correct.
Your flight number is AB123.
I see it clearly.
Your seat number is 12A.
That is a window seat.
Yes, as you requested. Please arrive at the airport early.
I will arrive early.
Do not forget your passport.
I will not forget it.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you very much.
We hope to see you again.
I will use this service again.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.